I guess this is the tower that we're talking about. Let's go inside. Check it out. Check out the vistas from above. At least it's very cool in here. All right. Let's take steps. All right. Ooh. There we go. This is it. All right. A few more steps. Boy. How are you guys? Ta-da. Alright, so here it is. Made it. Oh boy. Finally made it. That was a fucking brutal climb. Alright. Let's see. Was it worth it? Was it worth it? Let's check it out. Oh boy. Holy moly. Look at that. Seriously.
I think I like the other view better, right? It's prettier.
How was the hike? Brutal, right?
Yeah.
It was brutal?
Yeah, it was brutal. Intense.
Was it worth it?
Yeah, it was worth it. But...
well, made it. Hey, so I finally made it up to El Pico del Yuke. It's at the very top of the YUNQUE Rainforest, and it's about 3,600 feet above sea level, and the views are spectacular and breathtaking, and it was definitely worth the climb. So let's do a little panorama of the views. So let's start up over here. This is where I came up from. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but right there at the tip of that's that first sort of tower that I got to before getting here. Sort of trailed around and up through the antennas and finally made it up here. It took about, I guess, 30 minutes to get from there to here, and from where I parked to get to this tower, I think that took like another 20 to 30 minutes. So in total, about an hour hike all the way up. It was worth it. It's, it's kind of steep, but definitely worth it, as you can see. So here in this area, right here, I think this is where El Conquistador resort is located. I stayed there a couple of years ago. And off in the distance beyond that, I think those may be up in the distance up here, Culebras and Vieques, which are two islands off the northeast part of the Puerto Rico. And if I keep going around here, I'm not sure if you can see it because the clouds are rolling in. Up in the distance over here is San Juan. beautiful. It's just beautiful. Seriously. Peace, quiet, lots of space. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. So, that's it. I think I'm going to go to San Juan later this afternoon, Old San Juan, and I'll see you guys there.